Alrighty, Mr. Lewis. Sorry it's been a little while. We're down 2 guys in the shop here, so it's been a little challenging, but here's your first fire up. Everything's looking pretty good. Wide bands are cycling. Let's see if they kick up. Well, the one is. That left one's been fighting me lately. All right, Mr. Lewis. I've only put about 3 miles on yours, so let's see how she programs up. It's up to temperature. It's only been running maybe a total of 5 minutes since that first video, but let's take it out for a drive and see how it learns. It's a stick shift, so you'll have to forgive me. It's not always easy to manage this thing, but here we go. It's going to run a little bit lean as it's learning, but it seems to be picking up pretty fast. So we'll get on the highway here in a minute. See, it's starting to head towards stoichiometric, which is nice. Tend to run a little lean under load and then fat while you're coasting, but that all trims up nice. And there we go. Round this bend and jump on the highway here, and my speedometer cable snapped. I think we set a record 2 months ago at -25, which is the lowest that I can ever remember for that month. But alright, so I'm going to drop her into second gear and jump on the highway here. Here we go. Pretty good here. A little bit of headwind I'm heading into and coming up this hill.